USDA Agricultural Marketing Service Pandemic Response and Safety Grant Program, DUNS registration. Once you've confirmed that you are eligible to apply for funds through USDA's Pandemic Response and Safety Grant Program, the next step is to make sure that you have an active DUNS number. You will need to verify or register for a DUNS number free of charge through Dun Bradstreet before you can complete your application. You can start this process at any time. Getting a DUNS number now will save you time later. It typically takes 5 business days to receive a new DUNS number, so apply now. Dun Bradstreet created a custom website to make this process easier. You can find a link on the grant program website or by typing www.dnb.com/pandemic response into your web browser. To request a new DUNS number, you will need to provide basic information about yourself or your company. You will also electronically upload 2 documents that support the business information you entered. Examples of accepted documents include Secretary of State Articles of Incorporation, Secretary of State Receipt of Filing, Taxpayer Identification Number Confirmation Letter, Employer Identification Number Confirmation Letter, DBA Assumed Name Certificate Filing, Lease Agreement, Mortgage, Phone or Internet Bill, Utility Bill, Homeowners or Renters Insurance, City or State Tax Permit, Invoice from a third party, or Proof of Insurance. We recommend you gather the documents in the correct format prior to beginning the request. Acceptable formats include GIF, JPEG, JPG, PNG, DOC, DOCX, XLS, XLSX, CSV, text file, or zip. The documents must contain the legal business name and current physical address of the business. If you are a sole proprietorship, your legal business name is your full legal given name. For example, Jane A. Doe. So the documents you upload must contain your full legal name. Once you have your documents in electronic format on your computer, go to the form online. First, read the welcome screen and select Proceed. Enter your email address and select Next. If this is your first time entering the site, you'll be asked to provide your contact information and select Submit. On the main page, select Create a new DUNS number. Enter your legal business name and state. Select Look Up by Name/Address. Remember, if you are a sole proprietorship, your legal business name is your full legal given name. If no matches are found, the error message, "No match found for the given input criteria," will appear. Select Submit a request to create a new DUNS number. Before beginning the form, you will be reminded that you must electronically upload 2 documents that support the business information provided. Select Proceed. Next, enter all the required fields. Upload the documents you prepared earlier. First, select Choose File and upload document number 1. Select Choose File again and upload document number 2. Select Submit. And it's as easy as that. Your request for a new DUNS number has been submitted. You'll be contacted at the email address or phone number you provided in the request form, typically within 5 business days. If you have questions, USDA has a team of experts ready to help. You can contact one of our technical assistance providers by phone at 301-238-5550 or by emailing usda.ams.prs@grantsolutions.gov. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time.